Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel Knock Knock. Guys, this video is very important and life-saving for you. So it's my request you to watch the video till end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for non-stop updates. So let's start the video. This video is about the vaccination of COVID-19 in Pakistan. COVID-19 is a pandemic all around the world. It's a deadly disease caused by the coronaviruses, and the coronaviruses affects person in different ways, in many different ways. Most infected people will develop COVID-19 in many different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. While the most common symptoms of COVID-19 include fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common symptoms include headache, sore throat, aches and pains in the body, a rash or skin discoloration of fingers and toes. There's the severe symptoms of COVID-19 that a sufferer may have: the difficulty of breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech, or even the movement. These were some of the symptoms of COVID-19 that a sufferer may have during the course of their disease. But fortunately, in Pakistan, the survival rate of COVID-19 is very good. It means the sufferer have the ability, have the specific immunity which is necessary for recovering from COVID-19. Though the death rate from COVID-19 positive patients is also increasing day by day. We can discuss about the ways from which we can prevent ourselves from this deadly disease. The first and foremost way from which we can prevent ourselves from this deadly disease is to isolate ourselves from the person who is coming back from overseas. As this disease spread from the transmission from person to person, there is no other carrier like from animals or plants, but this disease spreads from person to person. So we should avoid the contact between two persons. We should not meet and greet by using hands or by embracing ourselves. We should keep a distance of 6 feet between two persons. And if a person is coming back from abroad, we should send him or advise him to be in a quarantine condition, like he or she should isolate themselves, not meet the friends and family more than a week until or unless you have proved that you are not the COVID patient and you cannot cause the COVID-19. Some very severe actions have been taken by government of Pakistan, and one of them is the lockdown situation. It means all the markets, schools, colleges, universities, offices, hotels, all the public places, the parks, the mosque, each and every places from where the person, market, shopping mall, where the person can meet and they can closely contact with each others in order to minimize the spread of this disease. And by by the result of this action, very fruitful results have been seen. Like uh, in um, in comparison with other countries, we are less likely to be the threats are not so much high. In order to prevent ourselves from this disease in the long run, what we have to do, we have to make ourselves strong. We have to make our immunity strong. We should keep ourselves away from others, even our friends and family. Whenever we come back to home from outside, we should wash our hands. We should remove our mask and properly dispose of the mask and use the sanitizers and other things which our government has continuously advertising on each and every channel you have been watching. And if unfortunately a person has become the COVID-19 positive, then what should he or she should do? First thing, to isolate themselves from friends and family, from kids and from your spouse, each and every person. If you love your family, then isolate yourself from your family. This is the only way you can prevent others from suffering, as you are the sufferer. So what you have to do, you have to make your immunity strong. You should eat the things, take the things, as no medicine can kill this virus, no medicine. So there is no medication you can take. The only thing you can do is to make yourself strong by eating organic, natural, healthy diet. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. Adopt a very healthy lifestyle. How? Now the question is, how you can adopt the healthy lifestyle? Natural, organic. Like, you have to take the immunity boosters. And tag your room from outside that it is a quarantine. You are in the quarantine. You should have the boiled meat. Meat will make you strong from inside. It will give you enough power to kill the germs inside you and to fight against them. A lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very good immunity booster. Milk and honey. Honey you can take. You can have milk along with turmeric powder. You can have, and very important thing, what you have to do is have a healthy diet plan based on of all the natural organic things. Now the question will arise that if a sufferer is already COVID positive, then how do the immunity boosters will help them? Immunity boosters are the products which claim to support your immune system, so you are not as likely to get sick. And if you get sick, taking these natural things, these supplements, you can say, will make your illness pass faster. You will recover faster. Your body will be strong enough to fight against these germs, and your defense system is very strong. Your immune system will create positive energy. Yes. So some are the healthy living strategies that can help you in order to recover from COVID-19 if you are a healthy person. Number one is don't smoke. I know it's very stressful to be alone in the quarantine, not meeting and greeting from the friends and family, but don't smoke. In order to avoid the depression, you have to exercise regularly, and maintaining a healthy weight is very important. Maintaining a healthy weight will give you the enough blood flow from the brain to the heart. And if you are an alcoholic person, then drink only in moderation. The very important thing that one has to do is to take steps to avoid infection. No infection inside the body, such as washing your hands frequently and cooking meat thoroughly. Try to minimize the stress. The stress will give you the negative vibes to the brain and to the blood circulatory system, and it can also weaken your immunity. By doing all these things, a COVID-19 positive person can also be recovered. Along with these, all the positive things you are doing, these you can say these are the home remedies you are applying in your lifestyle. Beside these, you can have a little amount of medication. If you are not severely ill, then you can have the mild medication, and after doing this, many people can recover. Many people are recovered. But vaccination is very important. Vaccination, what is vaccination? For a common man, vaccines are the dead viruses or the weakened viruses of the same disease. Like these are the virus. COVID-19 vaccine is the virus of coronavirus, basically is the coronavirus which is injected to the body. These are the weakened viruses. They are injected to the body, and your body immune system will fight against them and then kill them, and your body has strong enough to combat these. And when the strong coronavirus will attack you, your body immune system is strong enough to fight with the strong coronavirus too. Okay, and after many trials and day and night hard work, the vaccine of coronavirus is being developed. This is the magic in the bottle. This is the life in the bottle, is for those who are COVID-19 patients, and many COVID-19 patients in many countries are being died because they are not getting this vaccine. This vaccine has come to Pakistan to save all the Pakistani citizens, and it is our primary responsibility to save ourselves and save others. This is the disease that if we save ourselves, then we are saving others too, because it's spread from person to person as this virus stays in air, and if you are not meeting others, you are saving others. So what is the process of getting vaccinated of this COVID-19? Our government of Pakistan has launched a website about the COVID-19 awareness program. You can search on the website, or simply you can send your CNIC number to 1166 and get yourself registered. Initially, it is a 3-step process. In the first step, senior citizens, like the people above 50 years, they have to register themselves and just walk into the nearest center for vaccination. And the second step is has been started from 3rd of May, that the scheduled vaccination of people from 40 years to 49 years, they will get their vaccine from the vaccination centers. And the third step is about the registers healthcare workers. Healthcare workers includes all the medical students, medical staff, paramedical staff, and all the staff related to the hospitals. Their vaccination center and date will be communicated through SMS to registered HCWs. They are considered as HCWs as per the schedule. Now it's the map of Pakistan, and you can see the red spots. The red spots are showing the alarming situation of the provinces of Pakistan, as the cases of COVID-19 positive are increasing by not practicing SOPs. Next data is about the death rate. And the recovered people of COVID-19 positive. It is the very recent data you are watching on screen. Here you can see it is last updated 24 hours ago. The testing rate you can see is getting very better. The test rate of coronavirus is getting better. The number of death rates are not mentioned. The province-wise data you can watch. These are the authentic information which have been taken by the government website of coronaviruses, and the address you can have it. It's the covid.gov.pk. Now, by piling up all the data, I would say the precautions are better than cure. You have to practice 3 W's in your life and apply it on a lifestyle. Wash your hands, number 1, for 20 seconds. Number 2 is keep a safe distance of 6 feet. Number 3 is wear mask. Wear cloth mask. Cloth masks are very important as they are washable and they are economically better too. You may wash your mask whenever you come back to home, and if necessary you can have 2 masks, like to filter the air which you are inhaling.